In Japanese, you can express your decision to make a conscious effort towards making something a habit by attaching yo ni suru to a positive or negative present tense dictionary form verb. In this case, yo means manner. You can think of it as if the habit which you are trying to create is a manner in the form of a verb. Ni marks yo as the target of suru, which means to decide in this case. So the expression literally translates to decide on the manner of verb, but you can more easily translate it to make an effort to verb. For example, 明日から毎日ジムに行くようにします, which means from tomorrow I will make an effort to go to the gym every day. However, be careful that since this grammar is used to express a conscious effort towards making something a habit, it can be used with verbs and words that express a one-time action. For example, 今週の土曜日ジムに行くようにします would be incorrect since going to the gym this Saturday is a one-time action and as such can be a habit. Please follow for more Japanese tips.